If you love music videos and want to learn how to create one using AI, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a music video from start to finish, all using AI. From turning a simple image of an influencer into a complete music video with lip syncing and syncing it all to the music. We'll be using powerful tools like Design, Hydra, and Dajin, and I'll demonstrate how to make your character look consistent throughout the entire video. No matter your skill level, this guide will help you create something awesome with AI. So let's dive in and create some music videos. All right, so here I am on the Hydra page. First thing you want to do is sign up. Just click where it says sign up. You can either sign up with your email, or if you'd rather, you can just do it with Google. I'm using Tempemail for this one, which is an app that creates temporary email addresses. I actually go over how to use it in one of my previous videos. So if you want to check it out, I'll drop the link in the description for you. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. Now we're in the platform. First, we head over to the video section. Today, we're starting by creating an influencer avatar using this awesome app called Hydra. And then we'll dive into making a music video using just AI. Basically, this app generates images and turns them into videos. It's pretty cool. I'll leave the link in the description for you. First, let's go ahead and type our prompt here. Generate the image of a beautiful influencer. Hit generate. As you can see, it's generating the image right now. Now it's processing. Let's wait a few seconds. There's our influencer. We made this with FluxDef. There are tons of options here, but this one worked for us. Once the image is ready, you can download it or remix it into a video. Now we can adjust the video settings. Let's go with a 16:9 aspect ratio, 720 pixels. All right, now let's jump into turning our image into a video with the lip sync function on. Once that's set, we're gonna upload our influencer image to the platform. Here's the new image. Now, we add our script and choose a voice. This time, I'm going with Jessica's voice. I really like it. So let's see how it sounds.
Hey everyone!
Let's select Jessica. After that, we'll generate the audio and get our video ready. Let's type our prompt here. She smiles and talks to the camera. Let's click generate. The audio is generated and now the video is ready. Let's play it back.
Hey everyone, I'm Leah. I'm here to help you level up your creativity using the latest AI tools, apps, and tricks. Let's build something incredible together.
Nice, this one looks way better. The movements are more natural, and the video flow is much smoother. It's honestly a super easy app to use, and the results are pretty solid. I'm happy with how this turned out. Now, we're just going to download our video, and we got our influencer talking. This app is definitely worth checking out, especially if you're looking to make videos quickly and easily. Give it a try and let me know what you think. All right, now let's switch things up a bit. We're gonna create our music video now. So here's how I like to do it. First up, we'll create our music using Suno AI. It can even help write the lyrics in the music. Now, I'm a big fan of organic lyrics, but since this is an AI channel and today's video is all about making a music video with AI, Suno does an awesome job of generating a full song for us. Next, I'll come up with a video idea using ChatGPT, and once we have our scenes ready, we can turn them into image prompts. From there, we use those prompts to create the visuals for our video. Once the images are ready, we'll convert them into a video using any image-to-video app. For this, I'm using Hydra, which is perfect for lip syncing. We'll add the lip syncing feature to make our character speak or sing in sync with the audio. So first things first, let's jump into Suno. It's an amazing app for generating music with AI. You can choose all kinds of styles from jazz to blues, country, folk, basically every fusion you can imagine. It's got a ton of options and I'm planning to do a detailed tutorial about it soon. Let me know in the comments if you'd like that. Suno's free version doesn't give you commercial rights, but the paid version, which is just $8 a month, lets you download up to 500 songs and gives you full commercial rights. So if you're a musician or content creator, it's totally worth it. All right, let's get started. First, hit create. Now let's go ahead and generate our song using AI. Just type your prompt in this box right here. If you need help writing a good prompt, you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm something cool. I'll actually make a full tutorial on Suno AI in a future video, so stay tuned for that. For now, I'm entering my prompt right here. Don't forget to mention that we want a female voice and then hit create. And then our song will be generated. All right, I've generated my song. Now we're back in Hedra. So first things first, we're gonna go to the video section. Now we're gonna upload our image of the singer that I previously created. Once it's uploaded, we're gonna add a song. I'm using Suno for this, which is an awesome app for generating music. And we need to upload the audio. The app asks for an audio clip around 20 seconds. So I'm gonna cut my audio into smaller clips to make it easier to work with. Trust me, this will make editing way smoother. Once the audio is ready, we'll add it to the video. Hedra allows us to add voiceover and even change the voice if we want, but for now, we'll stick with what we've got. Once the audio's in, we'll select the Hedra character model, set the resolution to 16:9 with 720p, and leave the duration set to auto. And let's generate the video. Okay, here's our result. Let's check it out.
To worlds unseen, latest tools sharp in the machine. A hologram's kiss.
And I've got to say, it looks pretty good. The lip syncing is working and the video turned out awesome. Now, let's download it. The video's looking solid. Now we need to generate more clips. Somewhere around 20 to 30 clips should be just right. You've probably noticed that big watermark on the video. No worries, I've got a quick fix for that. Head over to 123 Apps. I'll drop the link in the description. Once you're there, click on Remove Logo from Video. Upload your video file into the system, and it'll take you straight to the main tool. Just click Apply and then Remove Logo. Now, highlight the area with the watermark and boom, it's gone. It's not perfect since it adds a bit of a blur, but it's a super handy trick if you want to get rid of that huge watermark. Finally, export your video and you're good to go. All right, let's make our second clip. First, click on Image Frame and upload your next image. Once that's in, go ahead and upload your song. I've already split the main track into 20-second chunks, so it fits nicely into Hedra. Now that the song is uploaded, pick the section you want to use and click Add to Video. Then hit generate and let it do its thing. And just like that, our second clip is ready. We'll keep doing this until we have around 25 to 30 clips. Once that's done, we can move on to the final step, editing everything together into one full video. And here's a quick tip. Make sure your character stays consistent across all clips. That way our awesome AI singer looks like the same person from start to finish. For our music video, we need to use a consistent character method to make sure our influencer musician AI model stays the same throughout the video. I'm going to show you how to train the AI to create that consistent character. Now, let's take a quick detour and talk about creating a consistent character for our video. I'm using Design for this, but feel free to use any app you prefer to create consistent characters. I've already got a tutorial on Design, but I'll link it below in case you missed it. What we're doing here is creating a character that stays consistent throughout the video. For this project, our character is going to be an influencer named Leah. To get started, we need at least 3 pictures of Leah to train the AI. I've only got 2 for now, but let's see if that works. Once the AI is trained, we can use it to generate Leah's image in different scenes. I'll show you how that looks in a second. After training the AI with Leah's images, we can create a character with all her features and start generating images from her. Once it's all set up, we'll have a perfect version of Leah ready to go. Training a consistent character is actually super easy. First, click on character, then hit generate images. Then click choose a character, and then go to build your character. From there, click start with images and upload your pictures. I'm using 2 images, but if you've only got 1, no worries, it'll still work just fine. Next, give your character a name. I'm going with Leah and hit start building. Now just sit back and relax. It'll take around 20 minutes for the system to train your AI character. All right, time to put our consistent character magic to work. Our model is fully trained, so anytime we type our character's name, it knows exactly who to generate. First, let's copy one of our scene descriptions and head back to dzine. We'll paste the scene into the prompt box and make sure to include our character's name so the system recognizes her. My character's name is Leah, and I've got it ready to go. Everything looks good. So let's hit generate. Then just sit back and let the image generate. And there she is, Leah in a stunning futuristic scene interacting with a hologram. All right, now let's try something different. We can make some variations to these photos if we want. Another cool thing we can do is add a drone shot from above to give it an even better look. So I'll copy this prompt and paste it into our image generation app heap. I'm using Suno AI with the Flux model for this example, but you can use any image generation app like Leonardo AI or Midjourney. Since her face isn't visible in this shot, we don't need to use dzine to generate it. Now that we've got our images with our consistent character, it's time to start generating our video clips. I'm using Hydra AI for the lip sync and Daigen AI to turn images into video clips, help speed things up and double the output. So here we are, inside the Daigen AI app. I already made a full tutorial on how to use it in one of my previous videos, so I'll drop the link in the description for you. It's a great free app that allows lip sync as well. You can sync audio to characters, whether it's a person, cartoon, or even an animal. So for this video, we're syncing the audio to our AI influencer. I've chopped the audio into 30-second clips to make it easier to work with and sync. Daigen AI allows us to upload up to 30 seconds of audio, so this works perfectly for what we need. All right, let's upload our image here. Now we'll type in our prompt. She is engaged watching the hologram. We'll keep our current settings, and since I've already added the music, let's hit generate and create our video. Now let's check out how it turned out. It came out great. The neon lighting in the background adds a nice touch, and the way she's focused on the hologram while the camera slowly rotates looks super cool. Now that the video is ready, we've got a 10-second loop that will extend to 30 seconds automatically. It's generating nicely. The key here is to generate enough clips up front to have a good stock footage library for the final edit. You don't want to run out of clips in the middle of editing and then have to go back to generate more videos. It's important to have at least 20 to 25 clips ready to go before starting the final edit, so you don't have to go back and generate more material later. That's what I'm doing right now, getting everything ready for the edit. All right, now that we have all our clips, let's import them into CapCut. CapCut is awesome for editing because it's super simple and easy to use. Also, the learning curve is really quick. I'm going to start syncing the clips with the music. Here's the intro, and we'll continue adding clips one by one. Once everything is in place, we'll adjust the timing to match the song. It's all about getting that perfect sync. This is the process I use: create the music, generate the images, create the videos, then sync the audio. It's methodical and gets the job done. Now that everything's synced, we've got our clips in place and the video is looking great. The idea is to keep it flowing smoothly without having to stop and generate more clips. If you've got 20 to 25 clips ready to go, you'll have no problem finishing your edit. And that's it. We've got all our materials ready, and now it's time to keep editing until we have the final video. Keep playing with the tools, experiment, and you'll be making awesome music videos in no time. And that's pretty much how you create your music video. And without further ado, let me introduce you to Leah, our beautiful AI influencer and talented musician.
Hey everyone, I'm Leah. I'm an AI model, and I'm so excited to share my music video with you. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, hit that like button and comment. Thanks for watching.
They whisper soft in silicon skies. Tools that shimmer, they mesmerize. Apps that blink like stars at night. Tricks so smooth, a hacker's delight. Neon fingers trace the code. Every byte a secret ode. Circuits hum a cosmic tune. Echoes dance neath the silver moon. AI sparks, the future's call. We're the architects, we'll build it all. From virtual dreams to worlds unseen. Latest tools sharpen the machine. A hologram's kiss, a pixel sigh. Algorithm smiles never lie. Voices morph, they shift and spin. Synthesize hearts where love begins. Data streams like rivers wide. Plug in, let's take a ride. The matrix hums, the rhythm flows. Electric pulse is all it knows. AI sparks, the future's call. We're the architects, we'll build it all. From virtual dreams to worlds unseen. Latest tools sharpen the machine.
I hope you liked my music video and enjoyed seeing how it was created. Thanks for being part of the journey, and there's so much more to come.
Well, that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new about creating music videos with AI. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss out on more awesome AI tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share your own AI-generated creations, drop a comment below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Keep creating amazing content.